I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot Access Token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a Private App. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respected fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.